take it on up to Mom.
Okay.
Shut the door. Okay, so here we are, next day, and we're going to poke a few more holes in it, and then we got some other ingredients to put on it. But first we do a little bit of poking.
Asian one. These two are our other type.
Our experimentals.
Yeah.
So now we put salt on it, and you just layer it up pretty thick. You'd never do this normally with your meat, but for this you do. You want to draw that moisture out.
And it also keeps the skin from burning
Right.
because it acts as an insulation. It gets it hot, but it keeps it from burning. And you want it to be thick.
And just as a side note, we did put all the meat up on a rack inside this tray, this oven tray. So it's up, so the heat will circulate underneath the meats itself while they're still in the tinfoil canoes. And actually this salt, it actually kind of crisps up and it becomes like a shell almost.
It's a crust, yeah.
Crust, so it's not that difficult to remove after the cooking
weird.
time.
Nothing on this side. We don't really want that. But...
And this goes into an oven 400 degrees for 40 minutes.
Hope I have enough salt. Eek. Well,
I think you did pretty
it
good.
is what it is, right? I mean, trying to smooth this out here a little bit so it covers the whole top. Because it will just suck the whatever moisture is left in here, it will really pull it out of the skin. The meat will stay juicy, but the skin will crisp up nice.
So,
Playing our song.
I was pretty lucky. Turned 400 degrees right when we were done. So, it goes into the oven now.
40 minutes. Whoops. Well, it's 41 minutes.
So, okay, we'll be back in 41 minutes. Okay, so they just came out of the oven. 40 minutes in the oven at 400 degrees. So, let me get a fork here. You'll be able to see what happened here. This salt just turned into like a little shield of salt. Kind of protected the...
Oh, you got the garbage can? Okay, good.
Yeah, so we're just going to take that salt. Oh my gosh, look how nicely that comes right off there.
And you just dumped a bunch of salt.
And you're not supposed to do that, so I won't do that again. But here we go, we're just going to pull that one off, let it go. This one's one that crumbled. That wasn't good.
I think this one might be the seasoned salt because it's red.
Okay.
I think that one's the brown sugar one you're doing right now.
Okay. And you just lay that over there.
And we're going to wipe that salt off when we're all done. Okay, just wiping the salt off.
Yeah, getting the rest of this.
Old Belle's looking so hungry. Looking longingly at the pork belly.
Okay.
Last little bit's cut off. All right.
So, first time we did this, at this point, you look at this and you're like, ah, that doesn't really look that appetizing. But the next step is where it turns very, very, very good.
Crispy, yeah.
So, just gonna wipe off as much salt as we can get off here. I'm gonna wet that. Salt was coming up good with the wet napkin. This is just a napkin I'm using here.
I wouldn't get it too wet though, because we're trying to, you know, crisp it up and dry it out.
Okay. That one had been pretty salty. It looks pretty good right now. That one's looking good too.
Well, can you let Sebastian out?
Puppy wants to go outside. Okay. How do they look?
Oh, they look delicious.
All right, so next step is, okay, so now we're going to lift each of these out and just set them right back on the tray. And again, this has a rack right underneath it, so.
Boy, you can really smell that 5 spice.
Yeah, these are definitely the 5 spice ones.
It smells so good. I think that's the.
Hang on.
I think that's the brown sugar.
Sugar. Okay.
Because this one you'll notice is red.
Yeah.
Look at that red juice.
Oh, that looks so delicious.
No, it doesn't.
Yeah, it does.
No, it doesn't.
Make it
Slop that up
good.
with the biscuit.
Good gravy.
So look at the.
Yeah.
You see the seasoning on the sides.
So, okay, we're checking in. We got a little over 10 minutes to go. James making the broccoli. Let's check in on this. Ooh, look at that. That is getting so crispy in there. It looks delicious. We're going to shut the door. Let it keep working. 10 minutes to go. Okay, so we just took it out of the oven.
Look at all that, all crisped up there. I don't know if you can hear it, but it's lovely and crispy. And we're gonna let it rest a couple minutes while I finish cooking the rest of the stuff. And we're gonna chop it up and chow down for dinner.
It's good.
All right. Well, we're gonna cut the first one. I think this is a Chinese one.
Okay.
Do you think so? Or do you think this is the Chinese one?
You know what they've got? in
I think that's the
front
salt and pepper, or the sea salt. I think that's
I think you're right now that you say that.
so. I don't know if you can hear that. It sounds. That's still a little soft, but. All right. So I'm gonna turn it upside down to cut it.
That's good.
Can you hear the crunch?
Oh yeah.
Back up, girls. Okay. So, look at that. You see the juice coming out of there. Oh my gosh, my mouth is watering. I don't know what's juicier, the pork or my mouth watering. So we're gonna go ahead and cut up the rest of these, and then we're gonna plate up our dinner and show it off to you.
Okay, so here we go. Here it is. Pork on a dish with broccoli with the distinctive brown sauce,
That's a garlic sauce.
garlic sauce with rice, and then the
Scallion pancakes.
scallion pancake. They look delicious.
There you go, Daddy. Turn it around.
I get better at using chopsticks.
Ah, this looks delicious.
And then you put on.
Mmm. So the sachi one.
I go get mine.
Betty June, you want a bite?
Sure. using chopsticks. Thank you.
Well, let's hear it, girls.
Delicious.
Look at her chew. Belle?
Mmm.
It is really good.
I like the crispy.
You ready, Serenity? Really good. Okay. Something to say, Dad?
Give it a shot. Try it at home. If you don't like the recipe in particular, just you can add it, modify it as you wish, but the basics are there to go ahead and get a really good pork belly.